Welcome back to Ledger Live. It's been a while since my last video, but I'm back with some exciting updates from the world of ICT. Let's dive straight in. We have witnessed impressive rallies from altcoins like XRP, Dash, and Litecoin. These surges are undoubtedly a welcome relief for the old school hodlers who have stayed committed through thick and thin. Now let's gear up for a thrilling lineup of updates. Dominic Williams takes us on a journey back to the origins of the Internet Computer Protocol, offering fascinating insights into its evolution and his bold vision for AI and blockchain. Meanwhile, Sonic V3 has hit a major milestone, underscoring the growing momentum of DeFi on ICP. And to top it off, Lenfinity has introduced new pool options, opening fresh doors for decentralized finance enthusiasts. Let's get started. Dominic Williams, the mastermind behind the Internet Computer Protocol, has shared some fascinating reflections on his early contributions to the crypto space and teased an exciting future for the platform. In a recent social media post, Williams revealed his unfinished 2014 project, that is Pebble, which introduced concepts that would later shape the blockchain industry. While Pebble was never fully realized as a functioning cryptocurrency, its ideas paved the way for the Internet computer's revolutionary potential. Williams discussed the technical challenges he faced back in 2014, particularly the scalability issues that plagued many blockchain systems. Pebble's key innovation was a Byzantine fault tolerance, which is a scheme tailored for blockchain, along with a vision for a sharded, infinitely scalable ledger. The project, shared with early insiders like Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin and smart contract pioneer Nick Szabo, laid the groundwork for what would later become ICP. Despite facing skepticism from the crypto community in its early days, Williams remained steadfast in his belief that a world computer could host humanity's systems and services entirely on-chain. This unwavering commitment led to the creation of DeFinity, which is the organization that birthed the Internet Computer. ICP, which launched in May 2021, has since become a leader in Web3 innovation, offering unmatched scalability, efficiency, and performance. Williams noted that unlike many blockchain ecosystems where venture capitalists wield considerable influence, ICP's approach has focused on technological empowerment and long-term growth. While early adoption of ICP faced challenges, Williams remains confident that its technical advantages will ultimately prevail. One of the most intriguing aspects of his recent comments is his vision for the convergence of AI and blockchain. Williams predicts that AI will soon unlock the full potential of Web3, enabling users to create and update fully on-chain web applications and services through simple conversational AI interactions. This seamless integration will mark a new era of innovation powered by ICP, further cementing its position as a leader in the next wave of technological transformation. Next up, let's talk about Sonic V3, which has hit a major milestone with a total value logged of $498,000. This is a massive step forward for the platform and a clear indication of the growing confidence in DeFi on the Internet Computer Protocol. Sonic V3's success is due in part to the seamless migration of V1 liquidity provider assets to the upgraded V3 system. This migration has enhanced the platform's liquidity management capabilities, boosting efficiency and making the ecosystem more resilient. The fresh injection of liquidity has also added a new dimension to Sonic's operations, creating even more opportunities for users to participate and benefit from its DeFi offerings. The platform's rise in TVL is more than just numbers, it represents a thriving community actively engaging with Sonic. With more liquidity on the horizon for Bitfinity and ICP, Sonic's roadmap promises even more exciting developments, solidifying its position as a key player in DeFi. And in more DeFi news, Lenfinity has just expanded its offerings with the launch of new pools featuring Sonic and Dragon's Gate assets. This move is designed to enhance opportunities within the Bitfinity ecosystem, providing users with fresh ways to supply, borrow, and engage with DeFi. By diversifying its pool options, Lenfinity aims to cater to a wider audience, offering flexibility for both casual users and seasoned DeFi participants. The inclusion of Sonic, known for its vibrant community, and Dragon's Game with its immersive gaming ecosystem, which reflects Lenfinity's commitment to making DeFi more accessible and interconnected. These new pools come with the ability to supply and borrow assets, allowing users to tailor their experience based on their specific financial goals. Whether you are looking to earn passive income or access liquidity for new ventures, Lenfinity's latest update offers exciting possibilities. This expansion highlights the growing collaboration within the Bitfinity ecosystem, fostering a more resilient and interconnected DeFi environment. Lenfinity's ability to adapt and innovate in response to user feedback further strengthens its position as a dynamic force in the decentralized finance space. That wraps up today's episode. Stay tuned to Ledger Live for more updates on the latest developments in the crypto and blockchain. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth coverage of the innovations shaping our digital future.